What if I told you that if you struggle with alopecia, low porosity hair, or dry, stubborn strands, this homemade botanical shampoo could help improve the way your hair responds to moisture? Today, I'll show you how to make a premium rosemary, chamomile, and rose petal shampoo that's gentle, sulfate-free, and specially designed for low porosity hair. Let's get started.
1, 2, 3.
Starting off, I'm adding about 1 cup of rosemary. Rosemary contains a high amount of carnosic acid, a compound known to heal tissue and revive damaged nerve endings around the hair shaft and roots. This significantly increases blood flow, flushing oxygen and vital nutrients directly to the starved hair follicles to keep them active and growing. Next, I'm adding about 1 cup of rose petals, which are rich in natural flavonoids, and these powerful compounds help stimulate microvascular circulation across the scalp barrier. I'm now adding the same amount of chamomile. Chamomile contains powerful chemical compounds alongside active flavonoids, and all of these components give chamomile intense anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This is what the mixture looks like. I'll give it a good mix, then move on to the next step. Next, I'm taking about 250 milliliters of pure distilled water. Low porosity hair cuticles are naturally flat and tightly closed, and standard tap water contains heavy minerals that can create a harsh film over those tightly closed cuticles, blocking moisture from entering. After boiling the distilled water separately, I'm now going to pour in all of my ingredients directly into it. Using this method is the perfect way to make a flawless botanical infusion. Now this is what the mixture looks like after about 1 hour of letting it infuse. Letting the herbs infuse for a full hour is a vital chemical step because it allows the hot water to completely absorb the water-soluble compounds. I'm now going to pour this right into my blender now that it's cool. Now let's blend. Now let's filter out all of the ingredients using a sterile cheesecloth. Squeezing it through our cheesecloth leaves us with this ultra pure, smooth, and nutrient-dense mixture that is completely free of any rot plant particles. This is all the leftover particles, and this is the rich, flawless foundation that feeds your hair follicles and gives low porosity hair that premium, weightless luxury glide. Now in a small bowl, measure out exactly 4 tablespoons of arrowroot powder. Now I'm adding a small portion of the cold botanical tea directly over it, and I'm going to mix it thoroughly until the starches completely disperse and the mixture has become a smooth, sticky liquid slurry. Beating this mixture with a fork ensures that when it finally hits the low heat on the stove, the starches will activate all at once to create a flawless, uniform, and velvety shampoo texture that glides weightlessly through low porosity hair strands with zero white flakes. Now with the tea on low heat, I'm now adding in the cold arrowroot mixture that I just made directly into it. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. Maintaining continuous motion during this exact step is critical because arrowroot starches require even heat distribution to bind properly with the water molecules. Make sure to keep stirring without stopping to ensure that the entire batch activates at the same exact rate, locking the polymer chains together to create a flawless, velvety salon texture that will be perfect for your low porosity hair. Now, after letting it cool down, I'm now using a high-speed mechanical hand mixer. Using the hand mixer directly after letting it cool down refines the texture without destroying its strength, completely eliminating any microscopic clumps and whipping the base into a flawless, velvety, and luxury silky-like consistency that will flow effortlessly through your hair. Now, using a beaker in a small bowl, I'm adding in about 40 milliliters of SCI, which is sodium cocoyl isothianate. I'm going to be mixing it with the tea that I specifically left for it, and using a fork to smash it until it becomes a completely smooth paste. Using SCI for low porosity hair means you're using an ultra-mild, sulfate-free ingredient that cleanses the hair deeply without stripping away its natural moisture or forcing the tight cuticles to swell and tangle. Now I'm adding some essential oils, starting off with some vitamin E. Next up is tea tree oil. After that, I'm adding some jojoba oil, then giving it a good mix. Now go ahead and add this right into the pot from earlier. Do the same thing as before and mix it thoroughly. The fine SCI powder is melting down completely, fusing our lightweight oils directly into the arrowroot framework. And this dense, silky creaminess you see on the screen is exactly proof of how our shampoo is loading up with gentle sulfate-free washing power that will melt away scalp buildup while keeping low porosity strands soft, flexible, and deeply hydrated. After mixing for about 8 minutes, this is what the mixture looks like. Let's move on to the next step. I'll now be adding about 50 milliliters into my beaker of cocamidopropyl betaine to complete this formula. Using this substance in your hair will define, condition, and soften your curls while locking in a rich, dense lather that lifts away stubborn buildup during wash day. After giving the mixture a good mix, grab your funnel and a bottle to transfer the shampoo into cleanly. You guys can use any clean bottle of your choice at home. To use the shampoo, start by rinsing your hair thoroughly with warm water for 2 to 3 minutes to help open up your tight low-porosity cuticles. Then massage a generous amount directly into your scalp with your fingertips to give a deep cleanse, remove buildup, and soothe any itching. Now work the rich lather down to the ends of your hairs to hydrate and detangle your strands, then rinse it out completely with warm water. This shampoo is made specifically for those with low porosity hair. I promised you that I would bring a standard shampoo for you, and here it is. You can use once a week for your standard wash. I now want to say a special thank you to Ida McFarlane, my very first channel member. I truly appreciate your support and thank you for being here and helping my channel grow. Before we finish this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I've officially opened my channel memberships. So if you truly enjoy my hair care videos and you want access to my content before everyone else, you can now join and become part of my private family membership. The first membership is called Hair Besties for $5.99 a month, where you get early access to my videos, loyalty badges, custom emojis, and priority replies to all your comments. And for my second membership, it's called Dye Dolls for $7.99 a month, which includes everything from the first level, plus exclusive member shoutouts. So if you would like to support me and get exclusive access, the first link in the description box will take you directly to my memberships page for you to check it out. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It truly means everything to me and my mom. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!